Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will do a quick walkthrough of all the Korean nail products used to create the Squid Game nail design. If you haven't watched the full video, please see the link at the top. So this is a photo that we will be using as a reference. The gentle pink polish is used to paint nail 2 and the right hand for base color. Tiny Korea fiber polish is used to paint nail 2 to create texture. Mostive is used for the top coat for the right hand to create a matte look. Catwalk overlay is used after the primer to build the nail. Show Me is used underneath nail 4. Mostive Tweed Gel is used on top of nail 2 and 7 for texture. Pochit glitter is used on nail 3 and 5 for clouds and umbrella. This colorful glitter is used on nail 1. Aurora powder is used on top of nail 4. D-gel painting colors is used for all the design painting and for the base of nail 3 and 5. Jin B is used on nail 1 for the base color. F-gel top coat is used on the left hand for a shiny finish. Jin B thick top coat is used for 3 nails, for nail 8, 9, and 10 to create a 3D design. KoKoist nail lamp is used to cure all the polishes. Here are some of the tools we used for today. The Jin B LED light, KoKoist dotting tool, brushes. This is a gentle pink polish brush. Gentle pink flat square brush. Korea Hwa Hong nail. I hope you enjoyed this video, and all the Korean nail products used in this video is highly recommended for long-lasting gel nails. It can last up to 4 to 5 weeks. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know which nail is your favorite, and I'll see you next time.